Hello and welcome to a new series of short videos where I hope to follow the progress of the Transpennine Route Upgrade, where I'll be looking at the section between Huddersfield and Mirfield. In case you don't know, it's a rail engineering project between Manchester and York aimed at improving reliability and capacity of trains across the Pennines. The section I'll be looking at will be fully electrified and widened to 4 lines. It's currently 2. This presents some significant challenges, such as rebuilding bridges and widening a number of them, as well as the major earthwork to create space for the extra lines. I'll be using my drone in the videos to get a unique view of the work from above.
I didn't have a drone when the work started at Deton, so I've taken an image from Google Earth which showed what the station looked like before the work started, and we can fade to the current view. Here you can see the main difference is the amount of trees that have been completely removed. Here's another aerial image before the work started. In this first video we're looking at the current progress of work around Deighton Station. The greenway which runs just above the station has been closed for about a year to accommodate the works. I was aware TRU was currently in progress but didn't appreciate the amount of work and the scale of the changes to the station, which will be quite significant. We're looking at is approximately 2 miles out of Huddersfield. The station that we see now is not the original site. The original station was on the branch line which ran to Kirkburton about 3 miles on the other side of Huddersfield, and not the main one that we see here. It was located where this industrial unit sits now. The line was originally intended to be a through route to Barnsley and the coalfields there. However, Kirkburton was as far as it ever went.
Hope you enjoyed that short look around Deton and the ongoing work for the Transpennine Route Upgrade. I've got some other locations and stations in mind to have a look at and keep an eye on what's happening there, some of which are quite interesting, so keep an eye out for more videos.